The half a century mortgage. The 50-year mortgage is what it's actually called. That sounds a little bit nicer. What's my opinion? I don't really care. I think it's a negative thing, which is why I'm late to making this video. I could hear Uncle Dave Ramsey just being like, the borrower is slave to the lender. So I think we got too much debt in this country as it is. We're so used to seeing a 30-year mortgage. That's what's standard, amortized over 30 years. You know what your payment's gonna be. We actually have a 40-year mortgage, which people don't even realize that program exists. It's not that popular. But think about if the bank's gonna let you borrow their money over 50 years. Maybe you're gonna save a little bit on that payment up front is what everyone's talking about. But the amount of interest that you're gonna pay, and by the way, your interest rate is actually going to be far worse with a 50-year mortgage than it would with a 30-year mortgage, because they're letting you borrow their money for longer, so they're assessing more risk. And by the way, you're probably gonna die before you pay off your house, which is a sad thought, but it's just way too long. And interest is so heavily front-loaded in the beginning. You're barely paying down that principal already, especially with a 50-year mortgage. It's gonna be way worse. And think about this, if you're only paying down your principal just a little bit year over year, and it takes so long, the second the market corrects, if it does, boom, zaps all of your equity, all of your leverage, gone. So what do I think? I think it's a negative thing. I think we got too much debt in this country. As 50-year mortgage, I don't agree with.